Hi guys, today I'm going to make soft sugar cookies. You will first need 1 cup of butter. Oh, by the way, wash your hands first. So that, and then you're also going to need 1 cup of sugar, so you can put that 1 cup there. So now you just whisk those up, and it's going to be a bit looking like this, okay? And now to that mixture, again, I've already cracked my eggs. You're gonna add 2 whole eggs to the mixture. So here are my eggs. Okay, and then you're also gonna mix that up. So now after you've done that, it will be a bit clumpy like this, but don't worry. So now you're just going to add half a teaspoon of baking soda. So that's the baking soda right there. A half a teaspoon of salt. So that, and then half a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, and then now you're also going to add 3 cups of flour. This is where it gets a bit doughy. So now you're going to take this and then you're gonna split it into half, so that, and then you're going to need some plastic cling to put it in. So you're gonna wrap it, and then now this is the waiting part. You're going to have to wrap them up and put them in the fridge for 2 hours. So now, once you've kneaded it a bit, then you can just break it into 2 parts because it's easier to work with. And then you're just going to put it in the cling foil. So you just cut that in half. So now once you've wrapped it up in the cling foil, you're going to put it in the fridge now for 2 hours. Right? Okay, so now we're going to make the icing that we're going to put on the cookies while they're cooling. So you need 1 cup of butter, a little less than 3/4 cup of Confederation or like icing sugar, and 1/3 cup of milk. So I already measured them out before. And by the way, the butter needs to be a bit softened, otherwise it's not gonna cut. Okay, sugar. Okay, and then also you can just whisk it up. So now we kind of have this here, and you just whip until it kind of gets a bit, it gets like totally white, and you shouldn't have any sugar particles because you can put some white sugar. That will help in making the taste fluffy and better. Okay, so here's the extra fun part. So now you have your frosting into some bowls, which I already did. So you can put them in as many bowls. Well, actually that depends on how much frosting you have, but you can just, make them any color. And you just need some food coloring. You got your frosting, I have some sprinkles, and your cookies. Okay, so now here's the really fun part. Oh, also you need a fork for mixing. So now, so now the dough is out of the fridge. It is going to be a little hard, but that's how it's supposed to be, so it's okay. And so now let's do the cling foil. When you are rolling out the cookie dough, it will be a bit hard, but you just need to push a little hard. So now that you've kneaded it, I put like 2 parts because I split it into 2. Now is the fun part. We're going to make our shapes with our cookie cutters. I've got a bunch here, but you can use the ones you have. So now let's start doing the shapes. So press here. Okay, so now I'm going to just arrange all of them and just push them down, but don't take them off. So then you can just take them off at the end, and then you can just take the excess dough off. So now I'm just going to take out my cookie cutters, and then you can just arrange them on the the tray with the parchment that you have here. You can get it ready if you didn't yet. And then you can just put them on. So the cookies. So I'm just going to take them. Okay, so now I've used up all the dough with the cutouts. Some are balls. So you just use the dough until it's all pretty much done. Now you're going to set your oven on 350 degrees, which it is on now, and you're just going to bake it for 4 to 6 minutes. Okay, so now here are the colors I made. Some were a bit experimentish. Like, I really like that one and the pink. I actually like all of them, but yeah. So now it's time to spread these on our cookies, and then we also have some sprinkles here. So rainbow sprinkles, purple sprinkles, some pearl sprinkles, and some blue, purple, and mix of white sprinkles with some pearls. Okay, so now we can spread them on our cookies. So fun. Okay, and then we can top them off with some sprinkles here. So now I'm gonna top them off. Wow. Okay, and then you keep on doing that until all of your cookies are decorated, and then you can enjoy your cookies. Okay, so now we're finally done. These are our cookies. I hope you enjoyed making the cookies with me, and I hope you share them with your nanny and your daddy. They're amazing, and now I'm going to kind of just try these, and you can choose. So now enjoy your cookies. Okay, so now I'm going to taste one of my amazing cookies. So now you can take a lick of this with a clean spoon to make sure it's yummy. This is amazing.